Whistler, BC, is only about 2.5 hours, by car, from the Vancouver International Airport. There are several options for getting to Whistler from YVR. 1. The YVR Whistler Sky Lynx bus runs from 8:30 a.m. and 9 p.m., and is the official bus to and from YVR to Whistler. It leaves from the airport. Find step-by-step instructions on the website. 2. The Whistler Shuttle is a private service that runs from 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. in winter and 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. in summer, April to November. Timings are based on your flight arrival/departure times. 3. If your flight arrives after 10 p.m., you will need a late-night transfer. Ride Booker has info on late-night ride-share vans and other late-night options. Some options can be expensive, so plan well in advance.